We're here at Manila Ocean Park and we're waiting for the, well, there's a bird show, I think, before that. Lion, like sea lion.
Ready, set, go! Three comes Rocky the first ball, followed by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And for the last ball, Rocky leads!
Check this out. So flexible, right? As you can see, their bodies covered with TinBo short shorts hair and their whiskers.
Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Philly, your Filipina connection living in Vancouver. And we're officially on vacation. I'm in the Philippines, so I'm tagging you along to enjoy with me.
Ocean Park! Ang daming tao kasi I think last weekend before pumasukan. So we're gonna watch the sea lion show first.
Let us all welcome our club, Racing Bird, Chapo. Chapo is our Bulikan Kakatsu. Sign of name is Kakatsu of Bulasensis. These birds that we call in Eastern Indonesia and are the largest among the wild Kakatoos. Let's go, Chapo.
Let's see nga. It's raising the flag here. Here.
There you go, the host can be started there also. Chapo and trainer birds.
Ayan ang mag-race ng flag. Naksan siya lumilipad.
Hello everyone and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Regine. Now, here's some objects that I would like to know of this silver cup. So you're going to do this object on your left, on your right arm, in the middle. Which side? Left, right, or middle?
Middle.
Okay, let's put it right here.
Okay, there's the ball here na. Follow the ball.
Now, let's call our second bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our super present Kakatsu. Second name is Kakatsu. Common habitats are of woodlands and forest areas and low plains.
Let's see.
They typically grow seeds, nuts, fruits, durian, papaya, and rambutan, and also love corn. Now guys, we think Dazzle's ability to find the single object. Well, if the guests, they say, you can do it, Dazzle.
You can do it.
Come on, Dazzle, find the single object for us.
Anak, Kitty. Oh my God. Find the ball.
And you found it!
Let's see. Another one. Another trick.
Now our next featured birds are just like any very common. Cockatoos, meaning the root they will release on partner or right. Brave ang bandit right, baka sa any common wala test na relationship na role is humano. Means sassy and drama. After the bird of moving macaws, they will buckle it up to see the stars in the basketball game. But before I start this funnel, I will invite you to introduce. So first, we cheer for sassy. Come on, girls, let me hear cheer. Sassy, sassy. Boys, all the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, boys, let me hear cheer. Rocky, Rocky, Rocky.
Cheer for the guys.
All right, so birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go. Here comes Rocky the first ball, followed by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And for the last ball, Rocky leads. Trainer Rina, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time. Oh, we want another race. Oh, she want another race, Trainer Jerry.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
Yes.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race. And what is the ring race? The first bird who can the feelings into the pool, the fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race.
What are they gonna do now?
So the ring race
Oh, the ring.
shall be,
Oh my
remember
God.
guys?
They can
Boys
shoot the
have
ring.
already 1 point and girls, come on. Let's hear Sassy to win this time. And we're all doing this again and this time our ring race. Ready, set, go!
Let's see. Oh
Here
my
goes
God,
the
Sassy,
first
go! Oh my God, Sassy! Oh my God! Oh my gosh!
How clever is that? And the winner is
Sassy!
So the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Wow, he didn't cheat that. No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain. Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys?
Yes! Yes!
For Sassy and Rocky,
Are girls more intelligent than boys, Dian? Huh? The girls are more intelligent than boys.
Wow, she white color and moving intelligent than boys.
Let's see nga.
That's
Yun na ako.
These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Pakistan, and China, in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They look like no Maslow or Manok in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have more homing pigeons. Homing pigeons. Meaning children are nests and mates. How about our macaws or our raptors and our homing pigeons? Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not try to take a preference in the sea, but also in the land and there as well. Now guys, who knows that
Their thoughts, no? Their thoughts to fly.
Recycle, burn 4 hours of break, and there will be show us of the proper waste disposal.
Look at them, Manaka. They're doing their own show. Oh, wow. Look at the birds.
3,000.
Now, all you have to do is stand right over
She's volunteering. She has
and
500.
face it this way. And extend your left arm just like this.
It's not about the money. We don't need your money.
As I put your money this year,
I think the bird will pick it up, no?
now, ma'am, do you have any idea what will happen next? Okay, let's see. Now, let's go. One word. Body.
Anak, I think the bird will get the money.
Our solution, scientific name is These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia and are the largest out of the white habit.
There.
Body flies over. And he gets the money and flies back.
He gets the
And
money.
I think Buddy just
Donation box. She donated 500.
Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? And now you're not going to go along the way and we're going to go and enjoy the rest of the show. Anyone else? How about 2,000 pesos this time? No more? Mama,
You willing to donate 2,000?
Mama Amelia, are you okay? You sure? You look so sad. No, we're just kidding. It's all part of the show, please come back in front and look your body back. Now, but to say something, before God gives your money, God wants to give you a instrument, okay? Now, all you have to do is stand right here, look at the camera, and over your chin. See? What?
Again.
Just open your palms, look at the camera, and smile. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope all of you enjoyed our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our way, no one knows what the effort. Let's take action. Inseminator from exploitation and even extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only hope we've got. Now, let us send you the personal trainers who make this show possible. Trainer Rex with Body. Trainer Bina with Sassy. Trainer Jerry with Rocky. Trainer AJ with Sweet. Trainer JP with Shadow. And constant trainer Jin and goodbye. By the way guys, please remain from your seat because we still have the Sea Lion show. Thank you. Volunteer, an adult female who wants to be our adult female and bring your female to choose one. The one guys, an adult female. Okay, we got one.
Again, they're volunteering. Good for them. An adult they volunteer.
Hello ma'am, good afternoon. Welcome to Manila Ocean Park. What is your name? Another round of applause for Miss Manny. Okay, ma'am, I have a question. Do you have any idea what animal is doing? Any idea? Okay, let me show you. The next animal that you're about to see is very thin. Okay, ma'am, please take it here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a situation here. The next animal that you're about to see is feasting. But don't worry, your trainers will go around and look for her, so nothing to worry about. It happens sometimes. Box. Box now, trainers. Anyone nakakita mo ba ng box?
Hello. What's in the box?
There's a box. Where? Can you check? Okay, guys, I think we want her.
Think, let's see what's in the
Come on, trainers.
Ayan. What do you think? Ayan, what do you think?
Oh, there's another box.
Hala.
Trainers, we're good.
Look, you're so close.
Is that sunshine?
Oh no, Ian! Ian!
Please, bring her up.
Talaga yan.
Our work is sunshine. Wow, sorry.
There was a snake.
Sabi na mali mo lang. Ah, wait. Ano ginagawa? Nanginginig ako. Again, relax now. Thank you so much. Now, let me present to you the animals and the trainers that made this show possible. Trainer Jamie with Bulldog. Trainer Albert with Iggy. Trainer Fritz with Sahara. Trainer Noah with Sunshine. And once again, the trainer Miguel. Thank you all for joining us today for our Rebel Show and Tell session. Remember podcast. We hope you enjoyed meeting our distinguished friends of you and learning more about their family lives. Thank you again for being part of our Rebel Showcase and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a wonderful day!
We're here at Manila Ocean Park and we're waiting for the Sea Lion show at 12:30 p.m. Meron silang bagong attraction here which is called the Biodome. Yun yung parang may aurora borealis. Tapos parang indoor na geranium or we haven't checked it out. Nandun siya sa payat, parang dome as you enter, makikita nyo on the right side. Pero for now, dito muna kami sa loob ng Ocean Park.
Alright, let's give it up for our sea lion friends. Alright, come on, let's start the go.
He's great.
Here we go. Hello everyone. Wow, what a wonderful entrance! Good day everyone and welcome to Aquarium. By the way, I'm Trainer John and excited to meet my friends together with your trainers one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to our trainer, she is the prettiest. Wow, copy that. Her name is Isis. Together trainer Rina, say hi. And while on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have here. And that makes her the sexiest. Wow! Don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Johnny, say hello. Now, let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea when you're caught like this? In fact, they're flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, ladies? And did you know they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seal cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fun demonstration of what the world of closer sea lion friends. And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Now on the run of buzzers, my friends. As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which might stop sensitive. Whoa, nice one! Hey! And they can also use their whiskers in the navigation or to detect vibration from breaking the water. And their small sternal ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine animal, can see both above and underwater. They have a clear eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shore. Naturally clear sweet dive pools and have a permanent for keeping guests. They have excellent capabilities, which can easily scale Ricky Grouse. Well, check this out. Truly strong front flippers. And now, let's talk about the swimming ability, and let's start with Isis, the 3DS.
Next year's cold.
Sea lion are generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers. While back flippers are symmetrical behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is their normal speed, slow and easy. Take your Isis and FILIpina.
Oh, there it's.
That's a slow.
But we're chasing our prayers, giving from and first, taking a gym of first speed out to ready, Sandra? 25 miles per hour! And that is really a fast speed! How about the run of applause for Sandra? The sexy yes! Reduce Sandra, go back to your seat. Whoa, nice line! And another one! She returns it! And now, here's an interesting server of sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy has trained up your them to take part of their special operation? Yep, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes, and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be abused of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to replace the void underwater mines. So trainers, ladies, are you ready? Well, that's it! Now let's march! Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, salute! This time, could you please join our sea lion friends in a salute? In count of 3, everybody please salute and break this one now! People of the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you! Are you ready? Now, let me count! 1, 2, 3, salute! Everybody! Take this one! Sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the wood.
Pacific.
So trainers, walkers, the rings! Go ahead and get those rings, ladies! And together! How about the round of applause for Sandra and Isis? Great job, ladies! Go back to your seat. And another one! You're asking for it! So, trainers, what's next? The ball! How do you think they get the ball? It's a...
Yeah.
Ball balance! Careful, ladies! Almost there! And ball! Steady and fantastic! How about the
Yeah.
also, Isis and Sandra? Excellent work, ladies! This time, would you love to see a dance number from our sea lion friends?
Yes.
Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see the dance?
Yes.
Well, you see this
Where are they?
Let's move it!
Ayan.
Come on, your hands, everybody, come on!
Ah.
And now show them the side by side.
300.
And we're dancing! Rocking on, Isis! Into the water volley! Just as a turn up! Nice shifting, ladies! Around the world you go! Round and round!
Lagi, Sander, galing
And
ah.
we're on the other side, round and round! Now, ladies, let's do the booga booga! Booga booga! Shake, shake, shake! And for our favorite part of booty shake, shake those booties! Shake it, friends, give up! And keep on rolling! yan? Arriba! And for the finale, study yan. Now let's go! And for the winner as well, the great dance.
Thanks a lot for watching. That's part 1 of our Manila Ocean Park adventure. Watch out for the next one. We'll show you the inside and more fun things to do here at the Manila Ocean Park. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss all the holiday vibes coming your way.